Welcome to my channel guys. Today I will unbox the newly launched dual driver earphone by MI, and it is believed that dual driver earphones are better than a normal single driver earphones. So let's see how it turns out to be, and now let's begin with the unboxing of the product. I have ordered this from the MI store and this is how it came packed in. Let's cut through it and get inside. And here is the actual package of the product. You can see the MI dual driver branding on the sides, and on the front it has mentioned about the tangle-free cable, the magnetic buds and the music control button. And on the back the price is printed as 999 rupees, but it is on sale for 799 rupees. Now let's get inside and find out what do we get. First we have the earphone itself, and let's find out what do we have inside this tiny box. We got an extra 2 pair of ear tips here, probably small and large, and the medium one will be pre-installed on the earphone itself. And we have the user manual. You can check some information and details about the button that is on the earphone itself. So that's all are the box contents, and now let's see the actual earphone. And this is how the earphone looks like. Here I have bought the blue color variant, and it is also available in black color. The deep blue color seems really nice. And on the back of the earphone it has a shiny black part, whereas the shell of the earphone is made of metal, and the finishing is also very good. And on the back of the earphone, one side is carved in and the other side is carved out, and this helps in locking the magnet in one place, and that is a very well thought out design by MI. Further on the right cable we have the control buttons for controlling the music, and the button seems to be tactile enough. We have the MI branding on the wire splitter here, and as you can see the wire is braided, which will help in the longevity of the cable. This is a QR code, you can scan it and get info about the product, and the 3.5mm jack is angled at 19 degrees as you can see here, and it is gold plated. Now let's talk about the sound of the earphone, as the earphone comes with a dual driver which is one of a kind in this price range with the premium build quality. Well, the drivers are the small speaker on the earphone, as a normal ordinary earphone have a single tiny speaker. This earphone have an extra speaker on both the left and right buds. I will attach an image here about this. So now to conclude, I would say that upon testing for a few hours, I felt the earphone sounded the best available in this price range. The bass was really good, the mids and highs separation can be clearly heard. The bass was a bit high for my liking, but the earphone manages the highs or the treble really well too. However, I am not an expert about audio, but I am sharing my opinion, and if I am made to rate, I would rate 9 out of 10 for the sound. And so, if you have been looking for an earphone under 1000 rupees, you can surely go for this one. The build quality is good, and I can't think of any other earphone in this price range. So guys, stay tuned, please subscribe and share the video among your friends.